On YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're gonna go over some stock some price movements, some daily gains I had. I got a stock pick for you guys, and we're gonna look at 6 stocks that I just sold out of for the House Money trade. If you like this type of content, hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. I do display 12 brokerages on this channel, all with 100% transparency. I show all of my buys, my sells, my deposits, my withdrawals, my gains, my losses. I analyze stocks 7 days a week, so I'm gonna constantly give you guys stock picks every day. And basically what I do here on the House Money Challenge is deploy capital into the market, pull that capital out of the market after a set number of days, leaving only the gains in the market. Started this challenge back in June, and I've accumulated over $12,500 worth of free shares. I currently have a portfolio valued at about $41,000 with well over 1,200 stocks in all. So if you like this type of content, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for a notification, so you'll get a notification every time my video drop. So let's go ahead and get into the video for tonight. We're going to start off with some price movements. As you can see, we got IVZ hit its 52-week high. Then we got Activision hit 52-week high. ARCQ hit the 52-week high. Qualcomm hit the 52-week high, as well as ARCF. All the price movements that I show are stocks that I own. So these are the reason why I'm showing these particular stock price movements. Next here we have X1 was up 6.1%, Blink was up 5.6%. Then we got dividend paid out in the Robinhood account, Cisco, ticker CSCO, of 2 cents. You might be saying 2 cents isn't very much, but like I said, I have over 1,200 stocks, so a lot of them are fractional shares, so I'm not getting the full dividend payout. But the dividends do add up. I make about $400 a year at this moment on passive income just from dividends. And I'm not, just a particular dividend investor. I do invest in dividends. If they're good stock, whether they're dividend growth or value, I'm going to invest in those, as long as they got good balance sheets, good fundamentals, good staff and board members, and, they get good analyst ratings and things of that such, good catalysts, then I'm going to invest. So yeah, all the smaller dividends, they do add up. And, with the drip feature, you're going to get those dividends to compound that interest over time. And with me building into these particular positions over, every 30 to 90 days, I'm going to, build up those dividend payouts, and I'm going to keep using the drip feature to compound that interest. Next here we have the Stash IRA account. I actually dropped a video yesterday going over this whole portfolio if you want to check that out. I've currently invested $255, which was in 2020. I'm up $142.11, up a nice percent gain of 55.73%. Then we have the personal account in Stash. I'm currently up $518.43 with a total percent gain of 8.18%. Top holding is Baidu Inc. It's a $45 investment that's now worth $92.93. It's up $47.93, up a total 106.51%. My average cost is $127.10. Then we have the Acorns account here, valued at $2,259.86. It is up $231.79, up 3.32%. Then in the Fidelity account, we got ticker SSYS. I have 1.68 shares valued at $61.14. It is up $15.14, up a total percent gain of 32.92%. Then the stock pick I have for you today is OKTA. This is a very great growth stock. IPO'd back in 2017. It gains about 200% a year. I'm currently up 34.29% in my particular position. It doesn't pay a dividend, but it's a very great growth stock. Looking at 22 different analyst ratings, they had a very great buy rating percentage on this company. And this is a novel cloud-based company. They have a cloud-based approach for identity access management, which should continue to attract more customers, with margin expansion comes from prolific revenue growth outpacing expenses. As OKTA moves upstream, it can land larger value deals with larger stickler customers. Additionally, ample cross-selling and upselling opportunities exist between OKTA's workforce identity and customer identity products. The independence of its integration network can make OKTA a favorable choice for customers using resources across public clouds, private clouds, and on-premises. This company also has very good EPSs. This is going to give you exposure to the software side of the market. And basically, they engage in the provision of identity management platform for the enterprise. It operates through United States and international geographic segments. The film productions include single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, API access management, authentication, user management, and lifecycle management. So very good cloud play here. Very big sector in the market, and it's going to continue to grow over time. Then we got Cheesecake Factory hit its 52-week high today. Then we got the IRA in the Acorns account. This is only a $60 portfolio, but it is up $9.02, up 17.62%. Then the main portfolio is valued at $2,273.36. It's up $244.95. Total percent gain of 3.51%. Then we had Netflix up today, 16.85%. They had a very great earnings report. Then we bought $1 worth of ticker SCHF out in the Robinhood account. Along with that, I deposited $1 into the Robinhood account and made that purchase, and that came from me selling this SCHF, this Schwab International Equality ETF. I sold it out of the public account. It was initially an $18 investment, so I pulled my capital back out, and I just rounded that 47-cent profit up to $1 and purchased that in Robinhood. Then we had Freeport McRoran. I sold this. It was a purchase of $19, so of course I pulled my capital out. I made about $4 on this play, so I left that $4 profit into the public app. Then we got Blackrock Taxable Municipal Bond Trust in the public account. I actually took a 94-cent loss on this play. It was a $20 investment, and I sold out at 1906. Then we purchased $1 AT&T in the Cash App. That came from me selling $21.31 of AT&T out of the public account. This was initially a $21 investment, so I only made 37 cents, rounded that up, and spent the dollar in the Cash App account. Then we sold $22 of Lee Auto. I made a few bucks on this play as well. I just pulled out my principal and left those gains in Lee Auto in the public app. Then we got Fubo TV. This I actually took a loss of 26 cents. It was a $23 investment, sold out at $22.74 of Fubo TV. Then we got an 8-cent withdrawal from the Cash App. So those are my 6 sales for the day, some of my stock picks, some of my price movements and stock gains and things of that nature. If you like that content, hit the like button, hit the bell as well, and subscribe if you want to follow my journey. I will be dropping a video displaying my 2 Acorns account, my personal and my IRA, and I'll be dropping a Stash app reveal. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.